What's up, everyone? So, working on the van right now. My neon lights broke a couple months ago. As you can see, I got some neon lights. And so I'm fixing them. I'm doing an intensive clean today of this van. You know, washed the outside, got some new tires. I'm getting ready because I'm going to Park City, Utah to give a college planning presentation to spark bright futures. I'm actually going to a family's home. How cool is that? I got invited to a family's home. I'm going to be going there to give a presentation. She's inviting some of their friends. It's going to be a really good time. It's going to be an adventure like always. I got to get back to cleaning though. And we'll get these neon lights. Check them out. When they're on, they're going to be stylish. Oh yeah, we're gonna get the party on here. You know, the lights going, the music rocking. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, okay. So I do have a little life lesson from this. Adventure! I think a lot of people get these opportunities, I know, have these incredible opportunities and they say no, because it doesn't fit within the guidelines of, you know, what was anticipated. Like, this is what I'm supposed to do. It doesn't fit in the guidelines, so I can't do it. Well, guess what? Giving a college planning presentation at someone's house for free didn't really fit in the guidelines, but it sounded cool. I was jiving with her. She was awesome. I was like, you know what? Who cares if it doesn't fit in the guidelines? Let's have an adventure. Let's see where this takes us. Take opportunities, create relationships. Not everything has to fit in the guidelines, guys. Take chances. Neon lights! Yeah! It gets better. I have different colors and cool, like, random controller for multiple colors. With so many videos of me having fun, you know, I think I need to film more of what actually goes on my daily operations, the majority of my life, which is working in front of this computer and really grinding and trying to spark bright futures for the leaders of tomorrow. I don't film this as much because it's not as exciting. But look, it's a Saturday right now, and what am I doing? I'm at my computer, 9 a.m., woke up early in order to get stuff done. And that's what it takes. It takes working hard. It takes the hard work and the grinding. So don't be, what's the word I'm looking for? Misconceived with all the videos that I post, thinking my life is all glamorous and fun and just doing all these things and adventures all the time. A lot of it has to do behind this screen, working, testing, trying different things, failing. Remember that. From deep in my soul. And another quick update. Earlier, I was saying I worked a lot. It is 7:50 p.m. on a Saturday, and I am still here. What? The only one here. Push through, work hard. I'm dedicated to sparking bright futures for you guys, and this is what I do. I live for it, you know. It's what gives me the energy. Serving this community is my oxygen. Let's all be student tutors, students who never stop learning and then tutoring and sharing that knowledge to the world. I'm gonna get back to it. See you guys tomorrow. I'm headed to Park City, Utah to give a presentation in someone's home. It's gonna be pretty cool. College planning presentation. All right, cheers. Headed to Park City, Utah! All right, I'm nearing the house. I think it's right here. I'll be giving a presentation. First time doing one in someone's house. That's it, yep. Boom. All right, I'm gonna do a quick turnaround here. All right, so quickly, in case you guys didn't know, so I created a Facebook ad in case you didn't see the email, and targeted a bunch of people, and Karen, whose house I'm about to go to, signed up, paid $200 for my college planning class, and she was gonna come to Salt Lake City one, and then she couldn't make it because she was going on vacation that week and she forgot, and we kept on chatting, and she's just a really cool lady. You'll get a chance to meet her, and so I was like, she's so cool, and I really want to help your kids. I was like, you know what? Spirit of the holidays, I'm just gonna come to your house and give a college planning class for free. Don't even worry about paying me. I already refunded you. Invite your friends. This is gonna be a lot of fun. So I've never been to Park City. I've never done a class in someone's house before. It's just cool. I love my job. All right, let's go spark bright futures. Get ready. Hey everyone, here I am, Park City at a family's house. Say hi. We're about to do a college planning presentation. Yeah, all right. And then, here we go. Okay, cool. So, we're trying to get a picture, and it's like snowing like crazy in front of the van. Oh, it's a blizzard. Come back here. All right. Let's park my teachers on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's park my teachers. Presentation continues. Walking back to my car. It's snow everywhere. Can't believe it. College planning presentation was a huge success. I'll update you guys in a second. Whoa, that was awesome, guys. So just got out of Karen's house. Walterson, I believe that's how you pronounce her last name. Sorry if you're listening to this, Karen, I didn't pronounce it right. It was so cool. Like, what an adventure. I mean, let me give you a quick update of everything that happened. So, I had a college planning presentation at a family's house for my first time, and it was just really fun. And then on top of that, afterwards, I really got to know the family. You know, I talked to Karen for a while, her husband for a while. We hung out, we had a drink, we chatted. They made me dinner. I got to know their kids a little bit, hung out in their home, got to meet them in person, and I think I need to do more of these. Truly sparking bright futures here, truly living to our mission, Student Tutor's mission. We're student tutors, students who never stop learning and sharing and tutoring that knowledge to the world. Keep following the journey, guys. Share, like, subscribe. I got stuck here in a snowstorm, so I'm actually hanging out outside their house in a van. They gave me some extra propane because I needed some for my heater. Thank you, guys. Awesome times. Karen, if you're watching this right now, you're a blessing. Love your energy. It was great getting to know you. I look forward to continuing the relationship, and I hope to meet other of you guys on the journey as well. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. And let me know something about you, something way I can help, maybe share an article or a journey that you're going through. All right, take care, bye. Good morning, everyone. I just slept through the snowstorm, but look at the outside. It is so gorgeous. Like, seriously? Oh my gosh. It's so gorgeous. They're plowing it right now for me so I can get out. The family's home. Here he comes right now. He's coming around for a plow. And the plow happens. Look at this. This is the house I was at giving a college planning presentation. What an adventure, guys. We're sparking bright futures left and right. Oh man. Hopefully I can get out today, but it looks like it's looking good. But I might have to take the day off and make it a snow day. Go play in the snow or something. And there she is. I'm grabbing a quick coffee she offered me at the house, and then I'm out. So we got some Simon cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and nutmeg coffee, making this delicious, ridiculously delicious cup of coffee.
You have to whip the creamer in an espresso, and that's what turns it into that froth. And all it is just regular creamer, but it gains the froth. And then I use this.